Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our journey through C programming, we have covered the basics of variables and data types. Now it's time to dive into operators and expressions, which are fundamental components for performing operations in C. Let's get started. Operators are symbols that perform operations on operands. They allow us to perform arithmetic, relational, logical, and bitwise operations in C. Understanding how to use operators is crucial for writing efficient and concise code. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Relational operators are used to compare the values of two operands. They return either true or false based on the comparison. It is important to understand the precedence and associativity of operators, as they determine the order in which operations are performed. Operators with higher precedence are evaluated first. In cases of equal precedence, associativity determines the order of evaluation. An expression is a combination of operators, operands, and function calls that evaluates to a single value. Expressions can be simple like x plus y or complex involving multiple operators and operands. Let's see some examples of using operators and expressions in C. So let's go through this program. On top, I have an include statement where we include the stdio.h so that we can have access to the printed function. And next, we define a main function, and then we declare variables. So x plus y is an arithmetic expression, and then we are storing the value in that. So on line 8, we are printing that. This is an example of an arithmetic operation. We have other kinds like subtraction, division, and multiplication. It is pretty the same. So relational operators are like this, where we can use these symbols like greater than, less than, and equal to. Logical operations, we have 1 and 1. This is going to return 1. 1 and 0, this is going to return 0. 1 or 1, this is going to return 1. 1 and 0, this is going to return 0. Not of 1 is negating it, is going to be 0. And not of 0 is negating it, and it's going to be 1. So let's run this program. Okay, so x plus y gives us 8. And then x is greater than y is true, which returns 1. And then 1 and 1 is simply 1. 1 and 0 is 0, and so on. Operators and expressions are fundamental building blocks in C programming. Mastery of this concept will enable you to perform various computations and make logical decisions in your program. So, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more programming tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.
For every single thing